Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we'll talk about that how God creates a state of soul realization for us, how He creates circumstances for us that we realize our own self, our own purpose on this earth. This life is full of materialistic things. We all are running after materialistic things. Until and unless something happens with us, something negative happens with us, we do not realize ourself, we do not realize the soul conscious. So God also has a way to determine the same thing to us, to teach us the lesson about the things which we really need to understand about our own self, about our own purpose on this earth. Soul realization generally occurs on various stages. The first step of soul realization comes when we notice circumstances where our family members, our loved ones betray us. They deceive us, and each and every member gets separated from us. We try to understand the whole concept. If we really try it, we will attain the state of salvation at later stage. Until and unless we do not realize the value of our own soul, our own purpose, everything is just fake. If you really want to know your own self, your own purpose on this earth, you really need to know the meaning of all the relationships you are having. In the issues of problems, in the face of troubles, you must have noticed that there is nobody out there coming to help you. Your own family members will show back to you, your own friends, relatives, colleagues, your society, everyone is there in your happiness, but in terms of sorrow, in terms of issues, nobody's there. You are like kind of invisible minority for them at that time. So that is a stage when you realize by yourself that there is no one out there to help anyone. You are the only one who has to fight this battle alone. So this is the first step, and this phase comes in everyone's life once a while, and even sometimes in the shape of ups and downs. This comes ups, you are in a good phase, downs, you are in a bad phase, and in all that phase of having that bad issues, problems, sorrows, troubles, you get this state of realization. But most of the people ignore it when they again get a good glooming day. Second stage of soul realization comes when you face any disease, or any family member face any disease. They suffer from any chronic disease, and your money is being spent on hospitals, on treatment, and you're watching your loved one having immense pain, torture, trauma. It can be any severe disease which is a long-term disease, and when you are noticing, when you are seeing the crying, the howling in the hospital corridors, your own loved one is at risk. Each and every time you are scared about the life, and it's always a moment of life and death for your family member. So that is also a phase of soul realization. It is also a way of teaching you about your own self, about letting you know that this body is full of diseases, anything can happen to this body. So the only thing which is immortal is the soul. So you should realize the value of your soul, that you are a soul, and you need to understand that I really do not need to be crazy about the materialistic things in body, because it can decay, it can get ill, it can get chronic, it can get into a very bad state, which you notice in hospitals by seeing other patients or your own family member. Third soul realization comes when you get engaged in fighting with your own family members. You are going through court cases regarding your issues in life. You are facing property issues, you are facing issues of marriage, you are facing issues of money, and the kind of torture, the kind of bad treatment you notice from your own family members. That is the phase which tells you the real world, that teaches you that the people for whom you were fighting, the people for whom you were cheating others, the people for whom you were earning money through bad deeds, now see, these people are betraying you. They are shouting at you, they are yelling at you, they are not listening to you, they are backstabbing you, and they are the people for whom you did all the bad karma. So this is again a state of soul realization. This is the third stage, which will make you realize that nobody is there for me, nobody is with me, they are all was with me for money or for any needs which I was fulfilling, but now nobody needs me. They all need money and they all have selfish interest, and I'm alone, and that is the hard reality. So that realization also makes you close towards the God, makes you realize that there is no one out for nobody, even including the family members. And then comes the last stage when there is no money, there is no nothing with you, and even the family members are having so enmity for you that they are indulging into criminal activities against you, they are indulging into black magic against you, they are doing everything they can do to destroy you, to harm you. So this is again a fourth soul realization that make you realize that the people for whom you were doing everything, the people for whom you were so crazy about, they are the one who are acting as worst as enemies. So again, this is a state of soul realization that see, nobody is yours in this world. The society is not yours, the friends are not yours, the relatives are not yours, your own partner, your own children are not there for you. You're alone, you're a soul, and you need to do good karma in order to live this journey of life for which you have been granted this human life. Because we all are distracted by materialistic things and materialistic world, we do not realize our own self, our own conscious, our own self. So it is really important for God to make you realize, and these are the things, these are the steps we all go through. They are also linked with our karma. It's not just that they are put in our fate intentionally. Our own karma also generates circumstances, and which is again linked with soul realization. So it's a combination of our own karma, others' karma, and soul realization, which creates these circumstances where sometimes we realize, sometimes we do not, that what is our purpose, what we really doing, why we are wasting time, who we are. So this is a very beautiful way of God to make us realize that we are a soul, we are immortal, the body is immortal. So do not get crazy for materialistic things, do good karma, do good deeds, do not harm anyone, don't create problems or issues for anyone, live your life peacefully like a saint, enjoy life, but never hurt anyone, never do anything bad to others, because if anything bad you are doing to others, it can also happen to you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, so keep on watching me. I have already uploaded this video in Hindi language, so link would be there in the description. Thank you so much.